Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to Start2 Investing, the ultimate destination for all things YouTube and social media. In today's video, we're diving into the world of TikTok and unlocking the secrets to creating a viral video that will skyrocket your presence on the platform. Whether you're a seasoned TikToker or just starting out, this video is jam-packed with invaluable tips and strategies to help you take your content to the next level. So, grab your notepads and get ready to discover the winning formula for crafting a viral video on TikTok. Creating a viral video on TikTok can be a combination of creativity, timing, and understanding the platform's trends and audience. While there's no guaranteed formula for going viral, here are some tips to increase your chances. Understand the TikTok community. Spend time exploring the platform to grasp the types of content that resonate with users. Pay attention to trending hashtags, challenges, and popular music to get a sense of what's popular. Find a unique angle. Put a creative twist on an existing trend or come up with a completely original idea that captures attention. Unique and unexpected content tends to stand out on TikTok. Keep it short and engaging. TikTok videos are typically short, so make sure your video is concise and holds viewers' attention.